How to delete hidden photos on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete your hidden photos on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to delete hidden photos on iPhone, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch your Photos app, come to the Albums tab, scroll down, and here you'll find the option called Hidden. Now after you tap the Hidden tab, unlock it with your Face ID, and here you should be able to see a list of photos that you've hidden in the past. Now just select the photos that you don't want in the hidden section. Tap the three dots option. Now whether you want to restore them or actually unhide them, if you want to unhide them you can select that, but if you want to delete them completely, then you can tap this trash icon, tap on the delete option in order to delete those hidden photos. This way you'll be able to actually delete hidden photos on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.